You've purchased a AiMoonsa Smart Watch, the C9 Smart Watch. You're probably wondering what app to use with it. Hopefully you didn't lose the owner's manual, but if you hopefully you didn't, and you'll get to one of the instructions where it says you can use the QR code to install GloryFit. So this is the Android One QR code. This is the iOS QR code. You can just search for GloryFit over here, and once you install that, you're good to go. Here's GloryFit. Just open it, and you would go to device, and then you would try to just sync to Bluetooth this device. It's really straightforward, so that's why I'm not covering it. Just wanted to show you the app itself, what it's called. It's for this C9 smartwatch. You want to get the GloryFit app.